I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. Oh, it's summertime, time to get out in the garden and get all your gardening done, your plants in. I wanted to show you some of the tools that we have here to make your gardening a little bit easier. When it gets hot, we have these heat guards, which are really great. You soak them in water, wear them around your neck, helps to keep you cool. Those are awesome, super popular. We even have them for dogs. There's a little different design that's made for dogs, so it helps you to keep your poor puppy cool on those hot days. We have lots of awesome gloves. You can see them behind me here. Lots of different styles, different sizes, both men and women. You want to keep your fingers clean, and you don't want to run into some weird stuff in the garden because that can make you sick or cause issues. So wear your gloves. We have some plant tags as well, which are awesome. They're copper, so you can put the names of plants on there with a marker and you won't forget what the plant is. The Garden Bandit, that's my best-selling tool. We've had this tool since the day we opened, and so that's 19 years, and we've sold thousands of them over the years. It's Canadian made, and never get any returns on that tool. The Rake is also a really popular little tool. I love that one. It's great for cleaning up underneath your shrubs into spots where you can't get a regular rake. We have Felco pruners as well. We have hats, we have watering cans, we have kneeling benches, hori knives, all kinds of really good stuff, and good quality tools. And we can certainly help you pick out something that will make your gardening life a little bit easier. So thanks for joining me, and we look forward to seeing you really soon at the Avant Garden Shop.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.